Learn English Classroom presents Fashion Week. Use English to talk about clothes. Module 2, Lesson 16.
I really like this outfit.
Yes, this garment does look nice. In fact, all of these apparel look great on you.
Do you think the designer has any sports gear?
I think he designed more formal attire. But this ensemble is informal, so maybe.
Well, all of these outfits look great to me. Not a rag in the group.
There's many ways to talk about clothing. Let's go over the vocabulary in the dialogue. An outfit is a set of clothes worn together for a specific purpose. This outfit is for a day at the pool. A garment is an item of clothing. The word garment is usually used a lot in the clothing industry. Apparel is clothing of any type or style. Gear is clothing or equipment usually used in outdoor activities or sports. Attire are formal clothes. An ensemble is a group of clothes items viewed as one thing. This is a hip hop ensemble. An outfit is a group of clothes items and can include accessories like jewelry or bags. Rags are old clothes items, usually with holes or tears. Some designers purposefully put holes in new jeans. Now listen to dialogue that includes specific clothes items and their prices.
How much was that pullover?
The pullover was $36, and the shirt was $25.
Nice attire. How much was that suit?
The suit came with the shirt. The tie was $35. Altogether it was $358.
Nice outfit. How much was that skirt?
The skirt was $34.50. I think the jacket was $27, and my bag was $13.99.
Nice gear. How much were your clothes?
The t-shirt was around $14. The jeans $50. My cap was $87. Designer. And my shades were $175.
Let's learn how to ask about what people wear in different places.
What do you wear at home?
I wear sweatpants at home.
I wear shorts at home.
What do you wear to work?
I wear informal clothes, like a t-shirt and jeans.
I wear a business suit.
Now let's talk about colors. What is your favorite color of t-shirt?
I like yellow t-shirts.
I like red t-shirts, but I don't like white. I always get them dirty.
I like a pink t-shirt with blue jeans.
I like a gray t-shirt with camo gear. Camo means camouflage to you guys that don't know.
When we are shopping, we usually use the words this and these a lot to describe things we like. Let's learn how to use this and these correctly.
I really like this shirt. Do they have my size? The clerk said to look at these shirts. I like this one.
As you can see and hear, these is used with plural nouns. These shirts. Shirts has an S to make it plural. I like this one. One is a single shirt in this sentence, so we use this with shirt. Now it's your turn to practice. Pause the video and say if you like or don't like these items. I like this shirt. I don't like this shirt. Now let's learn a dialogue and how native speakers use singular and plural in a conversation. Listen to this dialogue in a clothing store.
I like this orange shirt. Do you have it in size 6?
The woman is holding one shirt, so she says, "Do you have it?" It means one shirt.
Yes, we do. It also comes in other colors. We have these shirts in pink and blue.
The clerk says it comes in other colors. It uses the verb come with an S because it is one thing. Nouns add an S when they are plural, two things. Action verbs add an S when they are singular. English makes it confusing. Let's dig deeper in this. Because the clerk wants to point out the other colors with an S, he changes the shirt to shirts. He says, "We have these shirts." These is the plural form of this. This shirt, these shirts. Let's continue the dialogue.
How much are they?
Because the clerk is talking about all of the shirts now, the customer changes shirt to plural. She said, "Are they?" They means all of the shirts. Are is the be verb we use with a plural pronoun. She could say, "How much is it?" the one shirt she is holding, or follow the clerk and say, "How much are they?" Both are correct.
They are $34 each. But if you make an ensemble with these tan jeans, you get $15 off.
The clerk continues using shirts as plural. They are $34. Then he says, if you make an ensemble or a set of the shirt and jeans together, you get $15 off the total price. Jeans is plural because remember, we're talking about two legs. So the clerk said these jeans, even though it's only one item. Let's look closer at this. We also call jeans a pair of jeans. You have a pair or two legs. So one item of jeans can be one thing, a pair of jeans. The A before pair of lets the listener know there is one item. You can also say two pairs of jeans with an S on pair to make it plural. We never use a with the word jeans. I have a jeans is not correct. We never say I have 3 jeans. It's not correct. You must either use the quantifier pair of if you want to talk about how many jeans, or use jeans by itself without the quantifier. I have jeans in my closet. It could be one pair or more. I have 2 pairs of jeans in my closet, which lets you know how many jeans or the quantity. The phrases a pair of or 2 pairs of are quantifiers. A quantifier tells us the quantity or how many of an item we have. We will talk more about quantifiers later. We use pair of with shoes, a pair of shoes, shorts, glasses, sleeves, or anything that means two things in one item.
Do you have size 26 jeans? How much are they?
The total is $50 with the discount.
Here the customer talks about jeans, not a pair of jeans, so she uses plural. How much are they? If she said, "Do you have a pair in size 26?" She could say, "How much is it?" But most people use plural with jeans so often that they use the plural form. Native speakers are not perfect with grammar. Look for a shopping role play exercise below this video. In it, you will be able to change sizes, colors, and prices, as well as using the vocabulary at the beginning of this lesson. Make sure to get the free download so you can practice speaking. Next lesson starts Module 3, where we get deeper into grammar and writing. Thank you for visiting the Learn English classroom. Don't forget to go to the Community tab in YouTube and leave me a message to let me know what you need. And then like and subscribe to this video so that you don't miss the next lesson.